Hi, this is Jay. In today's Look Over My Shoulder series, I'll share with you 2 tricks you can use in Microsoft Excel to help you work smarter. So does this sound familiar? You have plenty of tabs to go navigate and it takes you a very long time. Now the first trick is just right click on these 2 small arrows over here. Just right click and you can navigate, because this is a list of a lot of information, and it's like there are so many different industries. I don't even know how many different sheets there are. So yeah, if I'm going to navigate by manually clicking, I'll get carpal tunnel or arthritis or whatever it is. So I'm just going to jump over here. Ta-da! So that's the first trick on how to navigate in Excel sheets very quickly. Now the second trick I'm going to share is, now I'm going to get all of these, the name of the sheet. I want to have like a table of contents. So what am I going to do here is, this is like sheet 1. This is going to be sheet 2, sheet 3, and so on. If you don't already know, the way to create all of this quickly is to use this fill series. Okay, so let's just say we have 100. Frankly, I don't know how many there are. Okay, so if it's done correctly, both of these numbers should be the same, because that's exactly how many rows there are. Now the next thing is we're going to do, let me just mute. As for step 2, we'll need to have all of the sheet names in this column. Now the old-fashioned way used to be, copy and paste this one by one. Now that is okay if you have a few sheets, but when you have a lot of sheets like this, you're not gonna copy and paste, like come on. So there's gonna be a smart way to do this, and I'm gonna share that with you. So first, let's hover over to these formulas. That's this name manager. So click on this and click on new. So this is, you're going to create a list. So for this example, I'm just going to call it jaylist, my name, jaylist. And at this refers to, you're going to use a formula. Now I'm just going to give you this formula. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can check the description section. I'll copy and paste this in the description, so you can just copy and paste it and without worrying there's any errors. Right, so this is what after you have the name, you copy and paste the formula, just click close. Right, next you're going to come over here, and the next part is going to be, you're going to type index. This is going to be the list name, and use a number here. Right, just for those who want to understand, you're asking Excel to create an index, a list of stuff, and you're going to tell it where to take this information from and what number is this going to be. Okay, but if you do not understand, that doesn't matter, just copy and paste it and just drag and drop. Yeah. Everything's going to just appear. Right, so we have the final entry is GMB categories, location, sawmill. Alright, so that's a total of 200 entries. Could you imagine how much time would it take if we were to do it manually? Copy and paste. That would be insane, but with this method, it takes under 1 minute once you practice it. Alright, so I'm just going to do it all in one go, just to show you it's not that hard. Alright, so I'm just going to even delete this. So first things first, type the number 1 and fill this with a number total of, fill the series so you have the numbers. Next, you want to come over to name manager. Okay, create a new. This is just going to be a list. Okay, and any name will do. Copy and paste the code I provide you. Okay, click close. Next, use the index. Okay, you can like even use, when you see Microsoft Excel try to autocomplete, means you're doing it correctly. And finally, just drag and watch the magic. And that's how you work smart. I hope you find this guide useful. Did it help you solve your problem? Comment below and let me know. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified every time I share a new video guide about how to work smart and have a good life as a freelancer.